In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Friendship Primary won, and Harrison's Prep decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Harrison's Prep and Bible knowledge. What was the name of the angel who appeared to Mary, the mother of Jesus?
Gabriel. Gabriel.
That's right. Friendship, to which country did Mary take baby Jesus to escape from the threat of Herod?
Egypt. Egypt.
That's correct. Harrison's science, what is a more common name for the third molars in the human mouth?
Premolars. Premolars.
That's incorrect. It's wisdom teeth. Friendship, how many molars does the average adult human have in their set of teeth?
8. 8.
Incorrect. It's 12. Harrison's, this is the Jamaican Affairs visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Rihanna.
That is incorrect. It's Dr. Michelle Charms, the former MP. Friendship, look at the monitor and identify the person.
Anne-Marie Vaz.
Anne-Marie Vaz.
That is correct. English language for Harrison's. Which tense is used in the following sentence? His mother went to church on Sunday.
Past
Tense. Past tense.
Correct. Friendship, which tense is used in the following sentence? Jane will be going to school next week.
Future continuous tense. Future continuous tense.
That is correct. Television is a visual question for Harrison's Prep. Look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Sandy cheeks. Sandy cheeks.
That is correct. Friendship, look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Larry
Lobster. Larry Lobster.
Judge? Yes, we'll go ahead and accept. General knowledge, Harrison's. Which U.S. state is known as the Wolverine state?
Florida.
Florida.
Incorrect, it's Michigan. Friendship, which U.S. state is known as the Buckeye state?
Texas.
Texas.
Incorrect, it's Ohio. Social studies for Harrison's. In what year did Spanish Town become the capital of Jamaica?
1692. 1692.
Incorrect, it's 1534. Social studies for friendship. In what year did Jamaica become a member of the United Nations?
1962. 1962.
That is correct. Music, we have a visual question for Harrison's Prep. Look at the monitor and identify this international artiste.
Adele.
Adele.
Incorrect, it's Selena Gomez. Friendship, look at the monitor and identify this international artiste.
John Brown.
Incorrect, it's Harry Styles. Mathematics, Harrison's. What is the square root of 81 multiplied by the square root of 121?
99. 99.
That's right. Friendship, what is 8 squared multiplied by 3 squared?
576.
That is correct. Sports, this is a visual question for Harrison's. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Michael Jordan.
Michael Jordan.
Incorrect, it's the NBA star Anthony Edwards. Friendship, look at the monitor and identify the person.
Cliff Anderson.
Incorrect, it is the NBA star Anthony Davis. Harrison's, Jamaican Affairs, who is a member of Parliament for Western Kingston.
Dr. Andrew Holness.
Incorrect, it's Desmond Mackenzie. Friendship, who is the member of Parliament for Central St. Catherine.
Dr. Christopher.
Dr. Christopher Tufton.
Incorrect, it's Olivia Babsy Grange. And that brings us to the end of section 1. The scores are Friendship Primary on 6 and Harrison's Prep on 4. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Develop and keep a positive attitude in this new school year. Be confident in yourself because with hard work, you can do really well. Stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.